Wi-Fi, aka IEEE 802.11, does not actually stand for wireless fidelity. It's just Wi-Fi. It's astonishing how we went from wires, cables, and modems to invisible networks with high speeds. How is it possible for you to scroll endlessly on Instagram and TikTok? Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit information between your device and a router via frequencies. Two radio wave frequencies can be used depending on the amount of data being sent: 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. What does that mean, though? Well, a hertz is just a measurement of frequency. For example, let's say you're sitting on a beach watching the waves crash to shore. If you measured the time between each wave crash, you'd be measuring the frequency of the waves. 1 hertz is a frequency of 1 wave per second. 1 gigahertz, on the other hand, is 1 billion waves per second. The higher the frequency, the greater the amount of data transmitted per second. The two Wi-Fi frequencies are split into multiple channels so as to prevent high traffic and interference. The first step in the process is initiated by you, the user. You must first pair your device to your Wi-Fi router, search for your router, and pair using the correct SSID and password. SSID is just a fancy name for network name. Once you've connected, your router will assign your device a MAC address, which is a special name assigned to your device by your router so that it can send specially requested data by your device, as there are multiple devices on a Wi-Fi network. When you access the internet on your device, it converts the information you've requested into binary code, the language of computers. Everything computers do is based in binary code, a series of zeros and ones. The frequencies travel across the radio channels mentioned earlier and are received by the Wi-Fi router that your device is connected to. The router then converts the frequencies back into binary code and translates the code into the internet traffic that you requested, and the router receives that data through a hardwired internet cable. The process repeats itself until you have loaded anything that requires the internet. All of this happens at an unbelievably fast rate. Most routers operate at 54 megabits per second, meaning that when such routers translate and transmit binary data, 54 million ones and zeros are taken in or sent out in a single second. There's no great ending here, so subscribe.